Russian kettlebell training made its way to the United States in the early 1900s and is once again making its way back into the mainstream. If you haven't heard of or participated in kettlebell training yet, I can promise you it's the functional workout for the future. With a variety of exercises, you not only elevate your heart rate more rapidly than other modalities of training, you also work your body in a functional way. You will use your neuromuscular system to engage the body through the entire kinetic chain. In less than 30 minutes a day, you will develop lean muscle mass, which in turn will elevate your resting metabolism, burning more calories even as you sleep. And you will also prepare your body to function better during everyday activities, reducing the risk of injury while playing tennis, baseball, lifting the kids, or taking the groceries from the store to your apartment. Today is the day to make a new commitment to obtaining your fitness goals. Whether you're a modern multitasking supermom, a triathlete, or a weekend warrior, or you sit at the computer every day from 9 to 5. Kettlebell training in just 2 to 3 times a week as a supplement to your existing exercise program will produce noticeable results in no time. That is my promise to you. My name is Richard Lehman. I am a National Strength and Conditioning Association Certified Strength and Conditioning Specialist. This is the certification of distinction in the fitness community. As well as a New York State licensed massage therapist, you can trust your body in my hands. Contact me at ComplimentYourBody.com and start the journey of making your goals into a reality today.